Alright, real talk. If you want plant power that actually tastes awesome, edamame might be your new MVP. Easy protein, clean fuel. Snack-level convenience without the mystery ingredients. Let's go. Here's the hook. 1 cup of shelled edamame packs roughly 17 grams of complete protein. Complete means all 9 essential amino acids, rare in plants. That's legit muscle and recovery support, whether you lift, run, or just chase a busy day. Protein plus fiber keeps you full longer. Cravings chill out. Heart health, low in saturated fat with compounds that support healthy cholesterol. Blood sugar steady. Fiber slows the spike for balanced energy. Bone boost, calcium, magnesium, and a surprise, vitamin K. Antioxidants like isoflavones help fight everyday oxidative stress. Gut happy. Fiber feeds good bacteria. Steam in the pod with sea salt, pop and eat. Toss shelled edamame into salads or grain bowls. Add to fried rice. Blend into a bright green hummus with lemon and garlic. Stir into soups or chili. Boost noodle dishes for instant protein. Snack mix. Edamame, roasted chickpeas, and almonds for a power crunch. Portion sweet spot. About 1 cup shelled, or a handful of pods. Macros, high protein, moderate carbs, low fat, with fiber to help you feel satisfied. Sodium watch, choose plain or lightly salted and control the sprinkle. Myth-busting moment. Soy equals hormones? Not that simple. Edamame has phytoestrogens that act differently than human hormones. Research generally shows they're safe for most people in normal food amounts. If you have a specific condition, check with your doc. Performance tip: pair with vitamin C, like bell pepper or citrus, to support iron absorption. Post-workout, edamame with rice or quinoa. Protein-carb combo your muscles love. Busy life hack: microwave a frozen bag, finish with chili flakes, or finish with lime. 5-minute salad, edamame, avocado, and corn. Miso soup upgrade, toss in a handful for protein. Buying smart, grab frozen bright green pods or kernels. No long ingredient list, just soybeans. Store in the freezer, they're ready when you are. Quick compare: real protein and fiber versus ultra-processed snack crash. Recap like a boss. Complete plant protein. Satisfying fiber. Heart, bone, and antioxidant support. Stupid easy to cook and customize. Try 1 new edamame move this week. Steam it, spice it, or toss it into dinner. If this helped, smash like. Share it with a friend leveling up their health. Hit subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss what's next. Visit our website below for the grocery list, favorite seasonings, and a 7-day edamame challenge. Let's make healthy your default.